Nia and Kyle.
Nia and Kyle.
Today, guess what we're making?
Cupcakes.
So I just went to the store and I got a whole bunch of colorful things for me and Kyle to use for things. And I also
we got
bought
crayons.
him some crayons because Kyle loves crayons. Anywho.
And I love Color Crew.
Yeah, so that's why we're making some Color Crew pancake. What?
No, we are making Color Crew cupcakes.
Oh, I said pancakes?
No, we're gonna make cupcakes.
Yeah. So I went to Family Dollar and I got a whole bunch of things. So
Right.
I got the tray so we can put the colorful cupcakes in.
Yeah.
What else did I get, Kyle?
This. We got this.
It's a funfetti cupcake mix so we can put sprinkles and stuff on our cupcakes.
Yeah.
I got some plain frosting so we can add food coloring to it. See, I got my food coloring.
Food coloring is this.
We're gonna make some rainbow cupcakes, my dudes. I got some baking cups so we can put our cupcakes in. It's like really weird, I don't like that.
And these are for this.
So when we bake cupcakes, we can put this in here. Oh,
That's so cute.
it's so cute.
Yeah.
Kyle.
What?
Look at me. That's so cute.
Yeah.
Last but not least, Kyle, guess what I got?
What?
Rainbow sprinkles.
That.
All right, guys. So let's get to baking. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Make noise.
So I got a bowl for us to mix our cupcakes in. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to help me pour it?
Yeah.
All right. So let me get closer to the camera so we can see it.
Yeah.
And we have the baking directions too, Kyle. So
Yeah.
make sure. Are you mixing? Are you gonna help me mix?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So here's our setup, Kyle. Okay. So I got my bowl.
Yeah.
And we got the mix. We're about to pour it in. Kyle's gonna help me pour it in. We have our rainbow sprinkles and we have our color dye, which we're gonna do separately. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Come on, Kyle. Help me pour. Oh no!
Please.
I spilled it on my leg.
I can do the pour.
Oh no! Kyle, you're more experienced than me.
Now we need water.
Oh yeah, we need water. Oh man. Fail. All right. So come on, Kyle. Wanna help me pour it?
Yeah.
Okay. Pour it in. Yeah.
I'm a big.
Oh no! Don't spill it, Kyle. Don't spill it. All right.
Alright.
So we have to put the mix in and the eggs and stuff, and then we can put the colors. Okay. All right.
We have this coloring drop. We're gonna get a little bit like three colors.
For our food coloring, we have red.
Yeah, red.
Guess what?
Red's my favorite color.
So red's Kyle's favorite color. So we have red, we have yellow,
yellow.
and we have blue.
blue.
So basically, we're going to mix.
The blue, yellow, and the blue to get green. And we're gonna mix the red and the yellow to get orange. So we'll have multiple different colors. And last but not least, we'll mix the blue and the red to get purple.
So we'll have yellow cupcakes, we'll have red cupcakes, we'll have blue cupcakes, we'll have purple cupcakes, orange cupcakes, and green cupcakes.
Yay!
Yay!
Yeah.
So
We
it
need
says
a cup.
that we need water, oil, and eggs. So I'm gonna need the water, oil, and eggs, and we're gonna mix it, okay?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna pour it. Ready, Kyle? Pour it,
Yeah.
pour it.
Water.
Anyway, so our next thing we need to put is 3 whole eggs. All right, guys. So we have to put 3 whole eggs. Are you ready to put 3 eggs in, Kyle? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
1 egg.
Yeah. Mix.
Ready?
Yeah.
2 eggs. Woo!
Woo.
And 3 cup of oil in. So let me put the half a cup. Are you ready to mix?
Yeah.
Are you super ready?
Yeah.
I don't think you're ready. I don't hear you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Say, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
And he's gonna pour the oil. And you have to be ready to mix.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. The eggs in.
Yes. Ooh, okay, go start mixing, Kyle. Start mixing. Go, mix, 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 mix,
I'm
mix.
mixing.
Mix, mix, mix.
Around, 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 around. Mixing and I'm mixing. I'm mixing.
Is it all done, Kyle?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get into putting dye in it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So I just grabbed cups so we can do multiple different colors in the different cups. Are you ready, Kyle?
Yeah.
So I have 1 cup for the red, 1 cup for the yellow, 1 cup for the purple, 1 cup for the blue, 1 cup for the green, or orange. We missed orange.
Yeah.
All right, so we have all the cups for all the colors. I'm gonna start by pouring the dough in each of the cups, all right? Yeah, I'm gonna pour it and then we're gonna put the colors in it.
Yay! That's gonna be great.
So pass me another cup so I can put another one.
Okay. I'm gonna pick this one for red.
This one for red? All right. So did you go find the red coloring?
It's right here.
It is? All right. Perfect. Put mix in all these things and we're gonna put colors in them. Are you ready, Kyle?
Yeah.
Where's the colors that we have? Let me see
These
them.
colors.
These colors? All right, so we have blue. We're gonna
Yeah.
start with blue. Drop in this one. Go. Oh, that's a big drop. Now open your red. Open the red, hurry up. He's gonna help you open it. All right, so one little drop, one little drop, one drop. We're gonna get ready to mix our dyes. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, which one do you wanna mix first? Wanna mix green first?
Yeah.
All right, mix it.
I'm gonna make green.
Yeah, mix it fast, mix it fast. All right, well, Kyle's doing green over here. Oh, that looks really green. I like it. I'm gonna do purple over here. Purple, Kyle. How's yours going?
Mine is
Ooh, that looks like slime.
icky.
Okay, it looks icky. Our last color, which is blue.
I'm gonna make blue.
All right, let's do this. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. We have our 6 colors, but Kyle decided that he wanted to make brown. Kyle, how do we make brown?
Look, red and green.
A little bit of red, right?
Yeah,
I put the cap back on it so it doesn't get all yucky. So we put a little bit of red, and now we're gonna put a little bit of our green. So we have all of our colors, and I got my cupcake pan, so we're gonna get the cupcake thing so we can make colorful cupcakes. All right, so I have Kyle putting all the baking cups in here in the pan so we can make our colorful cupcakes. I'm putting the baking cups in the tray. Are you ready to pour our colors in?
Yeah. The colors. So I'm just gonna get all the colors in the cups.
Orange.
Yeah, orange color.
Oh no.
I know.
Are you wanting you to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna put these lovelies in the oven.
Yeah.
Cupcakes are ready, guys. Look. So I went to check on the cupcakes, and it looks like they are ready. Look, Kyle, look.
Yay! Beautiful rainbow.
All of our cupcakes done. Kyle, what time is it?
It's time for frosting.
Yes, so I got some frosting and I got some rainbow sprinkles. So we are gonna get lit. We have Kaden joining us. Say hi, Kaden.
Hi.
All right,
Hi.
so basically we got sandwich baggies, and we're gonna put some frosting on these cupcakes we have here. Frosting and the bottom of the bag, so we can put it on our cupcakes.
Are you going to do it with scissors?
Yes, we need scissors to cut the bottom of the bag. Good, you're smart, Kyle. Good idea. Putting the frosting at the bottom of the bag and cutting a little snip right here.
Ooh,
Now
that's
we're gonna put it, squeeze it so we can put it on. Which one do you want to do first? The green one?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we have the green one, and we're gonna go around and put some frosting on the green one.
Ooh. Wow.
So that's our first cupcake. Ooh.
I'm gonna have one. The color.
I see it.
Let's
go.
The
Woo.
red.
Here we go.
Red.
All right, here you go, Kyle.
Yay.
This cupcake for you.
Yeah.
Here. Take your first bite for them and tell them how it tastes.
Yum.
You didn't even chew it yet. How it tastes? I want a bite.
Is it yummy?
Mmm.
I want
That's
some.
scrumptious. Alright guys, so I had to switch to my camera because my phone battery died. But we forgot the rainbow sprinkles. So Kane's gonna put some on the ones I already put frosting on. Some fail? Question mark? I mean, oh, because the holes. That's what they came out to. We have our colorful rainbow cupcakes. Woo! Kyle, did you see the rainbow sprinkles you put on them? Come on. Come look at the rainbow sprinkles.
Yes, eat
Yeah, we put some rainbow sprinkles on them.
And it's looking beautiful.
And it's looking pretty bomb. I think it's time to take these bad boys out. So after we take these ones out the oven, we're gonna show you guys our final products with all of our cupcakes with rainbow sprinkles. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Alright guys, so I just finished putting all the rainbow sprinkles on our colorful cupcakes.
Yeah.
Are you ready to eat one, Kyle?
Yeah.
You already had your red one, but now we're gonna eat these ones. Special thanks to Kaden, grubbing over there. Can't even see you. That was yummy, right?
Yep.
Nia can bake. So guys, we just finished all our cupcakes and we're ready to eat them. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. Say thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Just went to the store.
Store?
Don't look creepy. Oh, you got the sprinkles, my dude.
Caleb, get out of the video.
Right, like go downstairs.
Go downstairs, Caleb. Leave me alone. Go downstairs.
Subscribe to Skittles Wraps.
No, go away. Go downstairs, Kaden. Go downstairs. Not upstairs. Go down. Mommy, push you. This big is strong. What the heck? Weird. Best friends that are home. It's blue on the clue now.
Blue on the clue.